Hi guys, good day. I'm here with one of the aspiring candidates of Mr. Philippines 2023. Hi!
Hello guys, hi din po. My name is Leaf Yastin Lovidorial. I am from Legazpi City, Albay.
Alright, so, kumusta ka naman?
Ito, medyo nahihilo pa po galing sa biyahe.
So, kumusta naman yung travel mo?
Okay naman po. I've been staying here in Manila since the 18th. Pero sa Cubao po kasi ako nakastay. Kaya medyo malayo-layo din po dito sa Muntinlupa.
Okay. So, saan mo to nabalitaan na merong grand screening ang Mr. Philippines?
Nadaanan ko po siya sa Facebook. Pero minatapos pa lang po kasi akong pageant back in Bicol. And one of the handlers introduced it to me. And sabi niya, what if itry ko daw po na sumali.
And what made you decide to join Mr. Philippines?
Siguro po, I'm thinking of this as another chapter of my pageant journey. And china-challenge ko din po yung sarili ko to try a national level kind of pageant po.
How old are you?
22.
22. So aside from this, ano pa yung mga sinalihan mong national pageant or local pageant?
I am the reigning Pretty Boy Bicolandia 2019, the Festival Prince, and the recently crowned Ginoo ng Alinaw 2023.
Nice. So how was your journey there?
At Ginoong Alinaw, it was very hard. There were a lot of candidates na very well spoken and very physically attractive. Nanliit ako, to be honest. Pero hindi ko in-expect na yung support pala from my friends and especially my family, yun yung magbibigay sa akin ng lakas. And thank God, nakuha ko po yung title.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you.
And now you're here sa screening of Mr. Philippines 2023. So what are you looking forward on this pageant?
I am already expecting a lot of malalakas na candidates na pwede magpakita dito ngayon. And maybe hindi ko siya iisipin na parang natatakot ako. I would take it as a challenge na kailangan ko mas maging better para tumapat sa kanila. And this is a national level eh. Kailangan ko ilabas lahat ng kaya ko and kung ano yung, ipapakita ko na din kung ano yung kaya kong gawin para maka-appeal ako sa judges and especially sa mga taong manonood.
Alright, ang galing. And now, I'm giving you the floor to ask support from your fans and supporters.
Diyos Marina Aldao sa Indogabos, Leaf Yastin Lovidorial. I'm gonna be representing the Albay, Bicol region. And kung makapasok sa screening, I am inviting everyone to please watch and support me as I go through this another journey, which is the Mr. Philippines 2023. And please do also like and share the page and also the partners, Mastermind Productions, Pack Models. And I really hope you enjoy watching the journey of all of the candidates here in the Mr. Philippines 2023.
Alright, thank you so much and
Thank
best
you
of
po.
luck.